How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am doing good, thank you. How's your day going?
Ma'am, fine.
Fine. How was your weekend?
Ma'am, you can say it was great.
Great. What did you do?
Ma'am, I did challenges at my house, those things. Like I
Challenges.
enjoyed on the weekend.
What challenges you did?
Ma'am, one challenge name is uh, wait a second, ma'am. Mm, Ma'am, I'm not able to recognize it, so I don't know what.
Remember it.
Doing
Not recognize, remember.
like okay,
I'm
ma'am.
not able to remember it, not recognize.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. What was the challenge about? Explain me the challenge then if you don't remember the name.
I'm like, I will be sitting here and my mom will be sitting here, and in between there will be a wall, and then
Hmm.
my father will give me and my mother two things, same things, and then if I pick the same thing which my mom has picked, so
As my mama has picked.
the mom has picked, it will be like match. So we have to like your favorite things.
Okay. Well, have you done this for your mom's YouTube channel?
Ma'am, for my mom's YouTube channel, for my vlog, and for my father's YouTube channel.
Oh, so like whole Roshan family is having YouTube channel.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your YouTube channel's name?
Ma'am, my YouTube channel is for gaming, and I am uploading vlogs also.
Yeah, but what is the name?
Ma'am, Hero Gaming, and if you will not be able to find Hero Gaming, so you can find it from Kanishk Roshan.
Let me see if I can search for it. If I can get uh, the name properly. Just a second. My YouTube is loading. Let me see. What is the name of your dad's channel?
Virender Roshan.
And what does he upload?
Ma'am, when our house was in construction work, so my dad was uploading the construction work only. Now I said him that
I told him
I told him that you also start vlogging, so he started vlogging.
you should, because you advised
Yes,
something. So it's you
you should.
should start vlogging. Okay, okay, got it. Good. Wait a second, मुझे ढूंढनी तो है ही आपकी चैनल. What was the name?
I'm Hero Gaming, or you can write it Kanishk Roshan. You will find my my name of the first one.
Just a second, huh? Oh, twin telepathy challenge with fruits, vegetable
Yes,
chips.
ma'am, twin celebrity challenge.
Okay, nice, nice. Wait a second, let me see what it is about.
Ma'am, in the
Who
starting you
does the
will see the
editing?
ma'am. I do the editing, all the like for my vlog, I do editing, and for my father's vlog, father do my father
Father
do
does.
editing for
Father does.
his channel and my mother's.
Okay, wait a
But
second.
And for my YouTube channel, I'll do that too.
Oh my God, I just found your dad's channel and look at you, आप कैसे बैठे हो? Why are you so sad?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay.
Ma'am, right now or in the video?
In the video, you seem little bit sad.
Okay.
My laptop is not working properly. Just a second. I also need to see your channel also. Hmm.
Ma'am, which video you are watching?
What? What are you saying,
Ma'am, which
Kanish?
video you are watching?
This episode 126
Ma'am,
Twin
which video
Telepathy.
you are watching?
Episode 126 Twin Telepathy Challenge with Fruits, Vegetable Chips Fun Family Game.
Ma'am, that's on my father's.
Wait a second. I have never heard you speak Hindi. मैं पहली बार आपको सुन रही हूँ हिंदी बोलते हुए. Give me a second.
Okay.
I have never ever heard you speak Hindi before. So this is like first time. आपके पापा की तो कितनी
Yes.
सारी चैनल्स है, कितने सारे व्लॉग्स है मतलब.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because like he has done daily vlogging only, you can say 6, 7, but he was recording all the construction work, so that's why.
Okay, what is the name of your channel? Kanishk Roshan लिखती हूँ मैं.
Yes, ma'am. If you write Kanishk Roshan, so on YouTube I am only the named Kanishk Roshan.
By the name Kanishk Roshan, it's only you. Kanishk Roshan. Hero Gaming. Poem I Am
Yes,
Unique by Kanishk Roshan. Unboxing of car mobile holder 360 degree. याद पिया की आने लगी by Neha Kakkar dance. Handstand and cartwheel. Taekwondo class at in Dhwaka at home by Kanishk Roshan. Okay, my house tour. So you have मतलब
ma'am, you can see that you have latest videos also. If you see the
2
vlogs
साल.
and yes, ma'am.
So
What are you
like
saying?
before 2 years also you had your own YouTube channel.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but at that time I was not uploading videos.
Okay. Okay. Shooting with my family, watch vlogs, shorts, delicious bread pizza. Okay, मतलब बहुत सारे मतलब you all have this vlogging channels. Nice.
Yes, ma'am. And on my on my one video, you can say on a short on my YouTube channel, it is like you can say 1,420,000
Views.
views.
Oh, nice. Hello everyone. With the person who is beside you is Kavi. In the starting of the video, hello everyone करके एक फोटो आता है, उसमें there is a boy beside you. Is he Kavi?
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे लगा ही that it must be Kavi.
And we are at my chachu's, you can say chachu and dadu's shop. Because my dadu have a shop.
Hmm.
On my channel, I am finding that from where I could get the link of the challenge challenge channel that I can send you, but now you have found.
Yes. Nice. I'll see your vlogs and I'll see your parents' vlogs also. How many
Yes,
subscribers do
ma'am.
you have? Your dad has some
Yes, ma'am.
4.2K. How many do you have?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have 959. Let me check. Yes, ma'am, 950.
And on Acha Hero Gaming mein. And your mom must have the most out of all, right?
Yes, ma'am. My mom have
Has
24,000.
has 24K subscribers.
24,300.
24.3K subscribers.
Yes, ma'am.
यस 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 तो सबसे पहले आएगी सिल्वर बटन आपकी मम्मी का ही आएगा राइट.
Ma'am, we will see it after some time. I don't know.
यस एक बार once your mom will reach 50K then तो फिर सटा सट यूट्यूब चैनल फेमस होती है. बस 0K से 50K तक का जो होता है द टाइम पीरियड बिटवीन 0K to 50K इट्स रियली टफ. Usually people spend 3, 3, 4 years to cross 50K. But once you cross 50K, then your channel will get famous very quickly.
Ma'am, my mom was, my mom is doing this cooking channel from you can say 1 year, and she have 24.
As the she has.
She has 24,000 subscribers.
Yes, ask your mom to even do daily vlogging. Daily vlogging से एक तो you get more views.
He's thinking for that also.
Yeah,
He's,
because my sister also wanted to start her YouTube channel, not her, but my Pat's YouTube channel. But then
ma'am,
we are
but
too
it's
busy.
very easy.
It's
But
easy,
the
but
thing
it's
is
very
that
time
when you are
consuming.
editing, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the thing is that when you are doing editing, you have to make the video between 10 to 13 minutes because
Yes,
my target is always that I have to make my video between 10 to 13 minutes because then only people watch your video because it's not too long.
not too long, not too short, and also then only YouTube will add advertisement in between and you can earn money by YouTube. Otherwise, you're just
Ma'am, if
uploading
you
videos.
have, okay, and ma'am, if you have 1K subscriber and 4,000 hours
Views.
watch time, no
Hmm.
ma'am, 4,000 hours
Watch time.
watch time, so your channel would be monetized.
Yeah, your mom's channel is monetized now.
Yes, ma'am.
Your dad's channel is also monetized because he has 4.2K, right?
Ma'am, but it's about the, you can say,
Viewers.
no, ma'am, hours, only hours, 4,000 hours. You
नहीं
can
हुए
say
अभी
hours.
4,000 hours आपके पापा के.
Mm, ma'am, it is done, but I think my father will monetize it.
हाँ, because your mom's
Like
channel
my
is
father
to.
has done an application for that.
Mm-hmm. And soon your channel will also get monetized after few days because you are around 900 something. You want 1K.
No, ma'am, not after 2 days because I don't have
Few.
4,000 hours.
I said few, not two. Few. few days.
You said few days or hours.
हाँ, days. थोड़े दिनों में.
No, ma'am, because I don't have a lot of watch time. That's why.
तो इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ even your mom can do this. This is what usually mostly all YouTubers do. They upload daily vlogs so that they get views, they get hours and they get immense amount of money because daily डालेंगे daily views आएंगे daily उतने आप कमाओगे every day
Like
earning
today I
उतने.
have, hmm, and today I have not started my vlog. After this class, I will start because I have to. I don't have any specific time that I have to start at this time only. I start my vlog like I have to do the vlog between 10 to 13 minutes. That's why I made only short vlogs.
You should try to make vlogs on the current famous challenges and topics. So twin telepathy किया ना आपने, that is very outdated. Currently the challenges which are going on is living in my bedroom for 24 hours, living in my kitchen for 24 hours, living in my car for 24 hours, living in bathroom for 24 hours. So if you do
Yes,
vlogs like this, no, then you will get views very quickly and very fast. Or else
yes,
living,
ma'am. Because
eating,
these things are going on trending.
yeah, they are trending these days. Also, you can do eating only food within 100 rupees for 24 hours, or let's say 200 rupees for 24 hours.
And eating only yellow food, only red
या
food.
दैट इज ऑल्सो आउटडेटेड, वो भी अब आउटडेटेड हो गया है. बट ये जो पैसे वाला है कि 100 रुपये में पूरा दिन खाना है, दैट इज वेरी फेमस दिस डेज. एंड लिविंग इन दिस रूम दैट रूम फॉर 24 hours इज ऑल्सो वेरी फेमस दिस डेज. सो यू कैन opt for such challenges, opt for such challenges, and yeah, you will gain views very quickly. I
Ma'am,
mean,
do
your
you
mom.
have any channel
No,
also?
no, 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 I don't have any. Your mom and your dad can't possibly do these challenges because उनको तो काम वाम होता है, so they can't live in a room for 24 hours. But you can because you don't have any specific
Ma'am,
work to do.
yes, ma'am.
So you can try this.
Because now what happens when we do these small challenges, we do the challenges in the night because my father have to do work and my mom have to take care of the house and do her YouTube work. So that's why.
I understand, I understand, yes. One of my students also has a channel, but he's amazing. मतलब उसका drawing तो next level ही है. So उसकी channel है, his channel is only and only for art and craft, but he is amazing in art, amazing in art. So he also has a channel. He also has good amount of subscribers because he's the, जैसे आपकी मम्मी की सिर्फ कुकिंग की है ना, वैसे उसकी सिर्फ आर्ट की है. So when you have
Hmm.
a specific genre,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can gain viewers and subscribers very quickly. Coming to the topic which we are going to do today is, okay, you have,
And ma'am, if you have made a video, so the thing is that you have made a video very good, but in the editing part, it's
I
very
don't
difficult.
even, I don't even
That's
know
why.
how to edit it, honestly. I don't even know how to edit YouTube videos.
Oh.
My sister
Because you
learned,
have not made a YouTube channel, that's why.
yes, my sister knows how to do it. She learned it from YouTube only, and then she had some different types of apps. So many apps, and yeah, she knows how to do it. I
Because
don't know.
I I use InShot.
Yeah,
In
तू
a
पण
Sandy
InShot
we
use
use
करती थी
InShot.
ना? So, yeah, my sister used to use Velo app. InShot में कुछ करो तो ना तारे.
And Filmora is also very famous.
Which one?
Filmora.
Hmm. How do you shoot your videos?
I'm from my father's phone.
And what if your father and you have to do shooting at the same day, same time?
So now what happens, I vlog in my mother's phone and then I send the video on my father's phone on WhatsApp. So this thing happens. And I do editing like you can say 12 o'clock because my father also have to do editing
Has,
for this channel.
has, singular has.
Has
Hmm.
has to do his his video also, that's why.
Okay, okay, okay. Also, one more question I had.
I
Uh,
upload my video on 9 a.m.
at 9 a.m.
and my father do it in the night only.
Does my father does it at
Does
9?
it in the night only.
And your mom?
My mom. mm, my mom has no
Have
fixed time, so
have
she
My mom
has no.
does not have any fixed time. My mom does not have any fixed time.
My mom does not have any fixed time, so she upload the video. in
uploads it anytime she feels like.
uploads in
Anytime she feels like.
anytime.
Is she having any particular days
And
as
your
in?
voice is cracking and your video is also cracking.
Can you hear me clearly now? Rejoin the
Yes,
meeting.
ma'am.
Rejoin the meeting. AC चालू करो. Can
Yes,
you hear me
ma'am.
clearly now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I was asking, does your mom have any particular days when she's going to upload? For example, usually YouTubers have their particular day that only on Wednesday and Friday at this PM you'll get my videos. So does your mom also have that
Ma'am, in this lockdown time, she uploads 3 videos in a
in
week.
a week?
So,
Hmm.
like uh, some time back, so you can say before she was uploading the videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but now she uploads her video, her 3 videos on any day. Like on one day, one video.
Got it. Okay. Nice this
Like
is. I guess YouTube is nice na for your family. I mean, मजा आता होगा ना? Everyone in the family is YouTuber. And like
yes,
you
ma'am.
guys sit together, you decide what you want to do next for your channel, what video you
My
want to show.
my father is always excited that now we have to do this challenge, this challenge.
Nice. It's good because then you can actually make nice videos and then you'll also gain subscribers and you'll also gain views and nice it is. The only मुझे I like YouTube a lot.
Thank you, Ava.
What?
Ma'am, your Ava, ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Uh,
in between it cracks.
I don't know why it's happening this way. I don't know. I was saying that the good thing about YouTube is you can do it at your time. I mean, you don't have a
Yes, ma'am.
boss. You don't have a boss. You are your own boss. But the worst thing and the only thing which is why I don't have a YouTube channel is that the editing part. You have to edit your video
Yes,
so
ma'am.
nicely कि आपको views मिले वो video पे अच्छी से editing करनी पड़ती है.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, so I don't know how to edit first of all, and second, you also need a very nice camera quality phone or else a good camera only, so that your quality of video is
Because
also
my
nice.
father's phone is OnePlus 60 and my mother's phone is OnePlus 7.
Yeah, so both quality is really nice.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes, you can shoot it on that phone, but normal phones पे तो इतना अच्छा नहीं होता. चलो ठीक से चला भी ले हम. But then you know those other YouTubers they have like huge cameras and the camera quality and video quality
Huge,
is
huge
so nice.
cameras.
Yeah, and they have like ring lights and everything. तो मुझे तो मतलब and other than
Ma'am,
that I
but
don't.
I don't get it that the camera of that, uh, the huge
Cameras,
camera,
DSLRs.
the huge camera is all is also same clarity, and the phone's clarity is also same.
That why? Because that you are having OnePlus phones, and OnePlus camera is really nice. The quality is really nice. So it's okay if you shoot it with OnePlus. But I have a Mica phone. Okay, my camera quality is not that great. So if I want to shoot, if I want to start a YouTube channel, either I need to have a good camera quality mobile phone, or I need to have big DSLR camera.
Ma'am, I don't prefer you a big DSLR DSLR because you have to always carry it
And
in
it's
a bag or
too
something.
heavy. It's too heavy. हाथ से भी you can't vlog because हाथ दर्द होने लगते हैं बाद में. तो उससे अच्छा मुझे YouTube चैनल ही नहीं खोलनी. I'm good as a teacher.
Ma'am, if you want to, you can.
But I don't know how to edit.
It is like a side business.
साइड बिजनेस प्लस ऑल्सो मजा भी आता है करने में. टाइम पास हो जाता है अच्छा खासा.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
You also make daily vlogs. It will be fine, ma'am.
I don't
And you
have
don't
that.
know how to do editing, but your sister knows. So she will teach you.
You can help me, but the thing is that to make daily vlogs, my life should be exciting. I don't even have an exciting life. My daily routine is I wake up,
Ma'am,
I
I
study.
also don't have any exciting life. I also shoot that. Hello guys, now I have been wake up. Then I'm going to do brush. Those normal things which you are doing. No extra efforts.
But you only have lecture 40 minutes ka. I have 40 minutes के 8 lectures. So half of my day is gone in that only. अब I cannot record the lectures in my YouTube video. तो हुआ क्या? Good morning guys. Now it's my time for my lectures. I'll just get ready. फिर बंद कर दिया and शाम को hi guys, I'm done with my lecture. Let's have dinner and sleep. मेरी वीडियो गिन के 5 मिनट की होगी फिर. Because my daily routine is that only. I wake up, I eat my breakfast, then I take my Lingo Q
Ma'am,
classes.
your video is for 5 minutes, so it's fine. But you have to show that now I have wake up. Sorry, now I have woke up. Now I'm going to do brush. Now I have some work to do, so I will meet you meet you guys in the evening. So when your lectures will be over, then you will start your vlog, like start your vlog again in the evening. That guys, now I have done my work. And now I'm going to do this. I'm going to make this. Normal things, no extra things.
So, but for that, everywhere, whatever you do, you have to carry your camera and you have to record everything.
Not everything, because it will be a long video then. Some things only.
But that is so, मतलब सब कुछ आपको रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ता है और फोन में वो इतना यूज नहीं हो जाता फिर
Ma'am,
स्पेस
this
एंड
is
ऑल.
the YouTube life.
That is why आपको भी मुबारक YouTube life. I am so good. I am good as a teacher. My sister wants to open a YouTube channel. I'll definitely ask her. तुम सब YouTube वालों.
Ma'am, it's too easy. But the thing is that you have to do editing and the editing is tough.
How much time do you take for editing?
Ma'am, I take 1 hour. 1 hour, you can say.
1.5 hour. How much time does your mom takes for editing?
Ma'am, my mom do the voiceover and the editing. Then my father do the final editing.
My
So my
mom does the voiceover and editing, then my father does the final touch up and
final
editing.
editing. Yes, ma'am. So my father takes 1 hour only
And
because
for his
his time
video,
takes. Ma'am, for his video also 1 hour. Sometimes he takes 1 hour plus time.
okay. So average
And we
timing
all
needed
do
for
this editing in the night. You can say from 11 no, from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, the editing goes only.
goes okay. And
Because till 1 o'clock, do
does
my father does when he has to do my mother's editing. That's why he takes much time. But if he has to do his only for his channel, so he finishes it it at 11 or 12, and then I do editing, so I sleep on 1:30 or 2 o'clock.
after you're done with
That
your editing. So average
yes,
timing for editing is 1.5 hour. So even if you're
yes,
doing the
ma'am.
voiceover thing or you're just normally editing. And what do you do for your gaming wali videos? For the vlogs, it's the normal editing only. Do you also do voiceover for your gaming videos?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, for gaming videos, I don't do the editing because I play uh, games on laptop, so I don't know how. I know how to do editing in laptop, but not that much how my father knows. So for gaming videos, my father do, and when I am playing in the phone games like PUBG and
Tab you start the screen
Taxi,
recorder, no?
then I start a screen recorder and then I edit also.
Okay, okay. This gaming wala is nice. क्योंकि it's something new. बहुत इतने हैं नहीं YouTubers for the gaming. As far as I know,
No,
उतने
ma'am,
YouTube
there are a lot of gamers.
gamer YouTubers. I
Yes,
don't know
ma'am.
because that is not my genre, so I don't know. I know
Yes,
most
ma'am.
fashion
Because
YouTubers I
you,
know.
because I know you will be watching vlogs and those things only. Because my mom also watch those things only. She likes to watch vlogs. When I start gaming video in the TV, then she says that हटा इसको कुछ और लगा. So like that,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Who is the favorite? My favorite YouTuber are usually the female YouTubers, fashion YouTubers, vloggers whom I watch daily on day-to-day life. I am not usually a YouTube person. I don't watch YouTube that much. Most of the times,
Because you don't have a time.
yeah.
Because you do a lot of classes. That's why.
And whenever I get time, I watch some or other thing on Netflix. So I don't watch that much YouTube. But
Okay.
there is this one YouTuber whose name is Triggered Insan.
Ma'am,
If
he is very famous.
yeah.
He he has 10 million plus subscribers.
And he is also like you guys, Puri family YouTuber. He is YouTuber, his mom is
Yes, ma'am.
YouTuber, his brother is YouTuber, his sister is YouTuber, his
But
father.
his father is not YouTuber.
Yeah, his father is not. And all of them,
And
his
he also have a gaming channel
has
named Live Insan.
live इंसान और उसका भाई है फुकरे फुकरा
Fukra Insan.
हाँ उसके भी मोर देन मिलियन है उसकी बहन है हाँ yeah so I
Ma'am, I think your sister is saying some another language.
she's speaking in Gujarati. She was saying that he has crore, 10 million plus subscribers. Fukra has
Triggered
2
Insan.
million. Fukra has 2 million. His sister Wanderlust
And
something something
Wonders have, I think,
3 million.
1 million like that only.
3 million. His mother is going to reach 1 million soon, and Live Insan has 7 million. She was saying that she is a big fan of Triggered Insan. I was not watching it before, but my sister was like, "Dekhna, dekhna, please, dekhna." So I started watching him, and I
Because
like
ma'am
him.
on Triggered Insan channel, he do roasting, but it's a funny roasting.
Yeah, without any bad words. That is what I like
Yes, ma'am.
about him the
Like
most.
Carrie Minati use.
Uses I hate that guy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Good YouTube conversation we had today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll see you in the next class.
But
What?
we did spoken class only.
Yeah, so that is my specialty. I do spoken class and the child won't even feel that मैम मुझे एकदम forcefully बोलने को दे रहे हैं. You are just talking,
And
talking
because
very
I
naturally.
don't even know that the time has been over.
Yes.
I was just like speaking, 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 speaking.
Yes. So let me see what does this has Netflix has in child. So I can give you something. मेरे में तो आएगा ही नहीं.
Ma'am, uh,
Chalo, I'm giving you homework that you have to read a newspaper article, just an article, and
ma'am, we don't have newspaper.
you get newspaper online.
Okay.
उसमें से whatever difficult words you find, you have to come in the next class with those words. I'll explain you the meaning and I'll explain you what was there in the article. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I'll see you in the next class on Wednesday then. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye bye. You
Bye
too.
bye.
Not YouTube. You
You
too.
too.